next section discuss another a polynomial converted into a word and word is converted into a polynomial. So adana discuss cheyna. So here f of x, the polynomial of the form f of x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus etc. a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 of degree at most n minus 1 over k. So this is the polynomial which converted into as a word v is equal to what? A naught, A1, A2, etc. An minus its length is n. Okay. So, a polynomial na word like convert here. So, here this is the polynomials and the coefficients. So, coefficients coefficients ne word aayittu choose cheyana. So, the word is A naught, A1, A2, etc. An minus 1. Its length is n in k raised to n. Here n is equal to 7. So, this is the polynomial. 1 plus x square plus x raised to 4. So 1, 1 and x is coefficient of x is 1. Then so next word is 1 and x square is 1. Here x cube is not here. So the coefficient of x cube is 0. So that is 0 and x raised to 4 is 1. Here the length is what? 7 So namukku edakku varanam? 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. Okay. Clear? So, here x raised to 4 coefficient is 1. So, this is 1 and x raised to 5 x raised to 6 is not here. So, their coefficient is 0. Clear? So, a polynomial converted into a word. And the next polynomial is 1 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6. So, length 7 Here length is 7. So, here this polynomial x square is not present. X square, x cube. The terms is not here. So, their coefficient must be what? 0. Okay. So, 1. So, 1. X coefficient is 0, x square coefficient is 0, x cube coefficient is 0 and x raised to 4 1, x raised to 5 is 1, x raised to 6 is 1. So, this is the polynomial into a chord word. So, next near opposite, that is chord into a polynomial. Okay. So, thus a chord C of length n can be represented as a set of polynomials over k of degree at most n. So, this is the linear chord. So, next represent a chord word into a polynomial. Okay. So, first chord is what? 0, 0. So, that means its length is 4. So, length is 4 means 1 plus x square plus x cube. So, it's terms. Okay. Here length is 4. So, here length is 4 must be the polynomial is of the form what? A naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a cube x square. So, this is the form of polynomial of length n. Okay. So, here first one is 0, 0, 0. So, that means first that is 1 is here 0 and x's term is 0, x square coefficient is 0, x cube coefficient is 0. So, all coefficients are that is 0 that is equal to 0 polynomial. So, which is equal to 0. So, next one is 1, 0, 1, 0. So, 1, 0, 1, 0 means first one term is 1. And second term is represented coefficient of x. So, here x is not present. So, x term. So, third term is x square term. X square coefficient is 1. And the fourth one is 0. That means the coefficient of x cube is what? 0. So, 1 plus x square. And similarly, 1, 1 is 1 plus x square plus x cube. So, this is the chord word into a polynomial and above a polynomial into a converted. A polynomial can be converted into a chord word and chord word can be converted into a polynomial. Okay. So, what is division algorithm? Division algorithm is f of x is a polynomial. F of x is a polynomial which divided by h of x we get coefficient and remainder r of x. Clear? So, therefore, f of x can be written as what? F of x can be written as some q of x into h of x plus r of x. Okay, so this so f of x minus r of x, f of x minus r of x, which is equal to q of x into h of x. Clear? So that means f of x minus r of x is a multiple of h of x. Clear? F of x can be, by division algorithm, f of x can be written as q of x into h of x. So f of x can be written as q of x into h of x plus r of x. Okay. So then f of x minus r of x is equal to q of x into h of x. That means it is the multiple of h of x. That means what? F of x is congruent to r of x modulo h of x. Clear? So this is the congruence representation. Okay. So f of x is equal to, by division algorithm, f of x is equal to q of x into r of x plus, q of x into h of x plus r of x. Then f of x is congruent to r of x modulo h of x. Suppose p of x is a polynomial, its remainder r of x. Then p of x can be written as p of x is congruent to r of x into modulo h of x. That means p of x is divided by h of x. We get the remainder r of x. Same as of remainder of f of x. So in this case, p of x is congruent to r of x modulus. So which implies what? F of x is congruent to what? P of x modulo h of x. Or p of x is congruent to f of x modulo h of x. Clear? So this is the representation. So when f of x and p of x are two polynomial, it's both of them have a common remainder. So f of x is congruent to p of x modulo r of x, and also p of x is congruent to f of x modulo h of x. That means f of x and p of x are equivalent modulo h of x. If and only if they have a same remainder. So, രണ്ട് polynomials same remainder ആണെങ്കിൽ f of x and p of x, they are what? Equivalent. Clear? So, here this is a problem. So, here h of x is equal to 1 plus x raised to 5 and f of x is equal to 1 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 9 plus x raised to 11. Okay, so f of x is divided by 1 plus x. We get the remainder. And then check it. You have to check it. R of x is equal to 1 plus x. And also p of x is the polynomial 1 plus x raised to 6. They have common remainder 1 plus x. Okay, so here f of x and p of x have same remainder. Then we can say p of x is congruent to f of x modulo h of x. That means 1 plus x raised to 6 is congruent to 1 plus x. 1 plus x raised to 6 is congruent to what? Here f of x is 1 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 9 plus x raised to 11. Okay. Another example. F of x is the polynomial 1 plus x square plus 1 x raised to 6, x raised to 9, x raised to 11. So, which is divided by h of x. We get the remainder. R of x is equal to what? X plus x raised to 4. And p of x is equal to x cube plus x raised to 8, which is divided by h of x. We get the remainder as another remainder. Okay. So, what will you say? F of x and p of x are not equivalent mod h of x. Clear? So, we have a lemma. F of x is congruent to g of x modulo h of x. Then f of x plus p of x is congruent to g of x plus p of x modulo h. And f of x into p of x is congruent to g of x into p of x modulo hx. Then usually what? A plus. A is congruent to congruency properties thaniyana. A is congruent to modulo some p ആണെങ്കിൽ So A plus C is congruent to B plus C modulo P തന്നെയാണ്. Same result ആണ്. അതുപോലെ similarly A into C is congruent to B into C mod P ആണ്. So this is the two properties of congruency. Okay, so same as this one. Okay, that means here f of x is congruent to g of x mod h means what? F of x and g of x have same remainder, some r of x. Okay, so that means r of x is congruent to f of x mod h of x and r of x is congruent to g of x mod h of x. So some s of x. So h of x is congruent to p of x mod h of x. Then f of x plus p of x, what is f of x? F of x means q1 of x into h of x plus r of x by division algorithm, and p of x is q2 h of x into s of x. So നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ q1 of x plus q2 of x into h of x plus r of x into s of x. So here r of x plus s of x is the remainder, and that means f of x plus p of x is divided by h of x. We get the remainder r of x plus s of x. So that means r of x plus s of x congruent to f of x plus p of x mod h of x.